Have you ever noticed how the days get longer in the summer? The sun rises earlier, sets later, and bathes us in its warmth for what feels like an eternity. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what is the longest day of the year? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries, prompting us to track the sun's movements and develop intricate calendars to make sense of the changing seasons. The answer, as you might have guessed, lies in the fascinating dance between the Earth and the sun. So, buckle up as we delve into the science behind the longest day, exploring the cosmic choreography that gives rise to this remarkable phenomenon. To understand the longest day, we need to grasp a fundamental fact about our planet. Earth is tilted on its axis. Imagine Earth spinning like a top, but instead of being perfectly upright, it leans at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. This tilt, my friends, is the secret ingredient that gives us our seasons. As Earth orbits the sun, this tilt causes different parts of the planet to receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. When the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, it experiences summer, with longer days and warmer temperatures. Conversely, the southern hemisphere experiences winter with shorter days and cooler temperatures. Remember this tilt, for it is the key to understanding why we have a longest day, and conversely a shortest day in the year. The longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere falls on a day we call the summer solstice, typically around June 20th or 21st. On this day, the North Pole is tilted at its maximum towards the sun. As a result, the sun appears to reach its highest point in the sky, tracing out its longest and highest arc across the heavens. The term solstice comes from the Latin words sol, sun, and sistere, to stand still. This is because on the solstice, the sun's apparent position in the sky at noon seems to pause before reversing its course. The summer solstice is a celestial event that has been celebrated by cultures around the world for millennia. It marks a time of abundance, growth, and the triumph of light over darkness. Section 4. Experiencing the longest day around the world. The duration of the longest day varies depending on your location on Earth. The further north you go in the northern hemisphere, the longer the day becomes on the summer solstice. For example, at the Arctic Circle, which is at latitude 66.5 degrees north, the sun doesn't set at all on the summer solstice. This phenomenon is known as the midnight sun, where the sky is bathed in sunlight for a full 24 hours. Imagine that. Conversely, locations south of the equator experience their shortest day of the year on the June solstice, marking the start of their winter season. Section 5. Beyond the science-cultural celebrations of the longest day. The summer solstice is not just a scientific phenomenon, it's a day steeped in cultural significance. For centuries, civilizations around the world have honored this day with rituals, festivals, and celebrations. In ancient Egypt, the summer solstice coincided with the rising of the Nile River, a vital event for their agricultural cycle. The Egyptians celebrated this day with feasts and offerings to the gods. Across Europe, the summer solstice was celebrated with bonfires, feasting, and dancing. The ancient Celts celebrated it as the festival of Letha, a time for honoring the sun god and celebrating the bounty of nature. Even today, people gather at ancient sites like Stonehenge in England to witness the sunrise on the summer solstice, a testament to the enduring fascination with this celestial event. Section 6. A moment in time. Reflecting on the longest day. As we stand on the precipice of the longest day, it's a moment to marvel at the wonders of our universe and our place within it. The Earth's tilt, the sun's apparent journey across the sky, and the changing seasons remind us of the intricate dance between our planet and its star. The longest day is not just about longer hours of daylight, it's about the cyclical nature of time, the ebb and flow of light and darkness, and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. So, take a moment on this special day to appreciate the cosmic dance that makes it all possible. Let the longest day serve as a reminder to cherish the light, embrace the warmth, and appreciate the wonders of our extraordinary planet.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. That's all for Nifty Narration.